Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Alicia, and as you can see by my hair pinned back and my fresh face, except for eyebrows and foundation, we are doing some makeup fun today. I recently got the Conspiracy palette, and I haven't gotten to do a one-on-one sit-down video with you guys, kind of just talking about the palette and also using it. So I really wanted to do a cute little makeup look for you guys. I only have my foundation and eyebrows on, and then I have some powder under my eyes that I'm gonna wipe off once I'm done with my eyeshadow. We are just gonna have some fun with makeup today, and I am so excited. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and let's go ahead and get right into it. First impressions, well, since I've already used it once with my friend Gabby, I love it already. That was my first impression. A few of the shades we have used, and I love them all. There is not one shade that I look at and I go, oh, I'm never gonna use that. Like, all of them are so unique, and I feel like with an eyeshadow palette, that's actually like really hard to do, because there are so many out there. Like, so many colors and shades and like textures have already been done, and I feel like they were able to come out with like a whole new palette, and I think it's so freaking cool. I freaking love the packaging. So cute. I literally just, I love it. I think this is one of the best palettes I've ever gotten. I have a lot of palettes, so that's saying something. I'm binge watching Insatiable right now. I already binge watched the second season of Good Girls, which is amazing. Check it out if you guys haven't seen it. I'm gonna throw on Cheese Dust. It has the little pig right there. And do a little cheesy dusty. I almost thought maybe it would be too much, but now I realize that that's not the case at all. I'm going to do Diet Root Beer in like a crease. Well, yeah, kind of in the crease over the Cheeto Dust that I already have on there, which Diet Root Beer is super cute. It's a brown. It's like a brown, and it's got a little root beer in like a mug. It's really cute. I love that he does that. That's one of my favorite parts about like his palettes, is that he does the imprint thing. It's so cool. I wanted to do Just a Theory, which is kind of like a, I want to say copper. It's almost like a copper kind of glittery color. So I wanted to put that kind of in the outer corner. I'm going to go wipe off the stuff under my under eye, and I'm also going to put on all the rest of my makeup. And then when I come back out, I will show you guys the final look. Okay, you guys, so I have done all my makeup and let my hair down, and this is the final look. What do we think? What do we think? I can't say enough good things about this palette, and I can already see in this palette so many different colors I want to try together. I really want to do like What's the Tea with the yellow one also. Sorry, that mirror is probably blinding you guys, but it is just so, it's just such a great palette. Like, I think this is my new favorite palette. I'm so excited to try out all the colors. Every color is so pigmented, it's insane. So if you want to see another makeup look from this, go watch the video with me and my friend Gabby. We drank a little and we did our makeup, and it was actually like really fun. Literally the video is like 15 minutes. Took us like 3 hours to film. I'm gonna call this the Cheese Dust look. Oh, and also I just wanted to throw it out there that, like, thank you so much to anyone that's watching this video, especially if you got this far into it because you're towards the end. But I just want to say thank you, because I'm almost to 1,000 subs, and I know that's not a lot in the grand scheme of things, like when people have millions on YouTube, but I'm just like really stoked that you guys care enough to like watch my videos and like subscribe. So thank you so much. And I just have so much fun on this YouTube channel, and I love it so much, honestly. Like, I know I took like 2 weeks off. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I think the last time that I had posted, there might be new content out now, because I might post a few things before I post this video, But there definitely was a bit of a lag, and I'm sorry about that because I took like 2 weeks off because honestly, I just needed a restart button. You know how you just get, like, it wasn't just that I didn't want to do YouTube. Literally, I didn't want to do anything. Like, I was just so exhausted from constantly, like, literally, I would go to my full-time job all day, come home, make dinner, and go to bed, do that Monday through Friday, and then on the weekend, I literally spent all my time filming and editing. And so it was just like, it was fine. I loved doing the filming and the editing, but like, it's just a lot. And so it definitely took a lot out of me, but my heart is very much still in it. And I love this. I love doing this, even if it doesn't bring in money. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know where my head and my heart is at. I just love YouTube. It's just so amazing to be able to put out just, I don't know, whatever I think of, like just whatever I feel like, I don't know, it's just so cool. It's the only platform where you can just like put out whatever you're feeling and whatever you want to without really any restrictions, because I mean, obviously, like there's some stuff you can't do, but it's just fun to also be able to have like memories on here too. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you did enjoy it, and there will be many more makeup tutorials / if you guys want a full makeup tutorial, let me know. I just sometimes feel like those are kind of boring because I use kind of the same products every time. But like, if you are using them to like get ready with me, I totally understand why you would want that. But just let me know like what you guys are feeling. Do you want like full on makeup tutorials where I literally say like what I'm doing and like what I'm using? Or do you like where I just kind of do a different eye look in a video, and that's kind of the makeup part that I do? Because sometimes I just feel like maybe it's just boring to watch me do a makeup routine when not a lot has changed. So yeah, let me know what your guys' thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one.